Yo, what is happening, YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. I want to let you guys know that we are in the hometown, New York City. But anyways, I just wanted to take a little stop real quick, but I'm about to go drive around for a bit. I'm about to go to Just Salad, drive around New York City. I'm going to give you all that POV. Hey, it's a blessing. We drove 6 hours, actually. Drove from Virginia to New York, and the Camry is perfect. All in good shape. Look at her. Still look good to this day, you know what I'm saying? But I do need a washer. Actually, guys, tomorrow I'm going to be leaving at 7 a.m. to go back to Cleveland. And it'll be a 7-hour drive, actually. But it is going to be snowing a little bit, so I'm just praying that we just get there safe so I can give y'all good content in December. I can't wait. Hey, I look good. I feel good today. I'm blessed. And we going to do this POV for y'all. So hopefully you guys do enjoy it. Yo, gang, let me tell you something. Today's a good day, Saturday. And I get back on the road on Sunday. I could potentially have a video for y'all tomorrow when I wake up. If I go through New York City, I'm going to give y'all that POV. That will spark numbers. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this POV that's about to drop. I'm probably going to drop this on Monday or Wednesday, but hopefully Monday. And if I record tomorrow, that video will be on Wednesday. And hopefully, maybe I might get a video out Friday, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, we just chilling right now. I'm going to just wait for my car to warm up a little bit, and then I'm going to drive. There's one place called Just Salad. It's so good. We don't have that in Virginia. It's like a Chopped. I know you guys probably heard of Chopped. Any of you guys around, maybe. But I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that POV for you guys, and I'm going to just vibe and relax. So, hopefully, you guys do enjoy that one. Yo, chat, let me show y'all something real quick. Hold on. So my last video, let me see. We posted 21 hours ago. It hasn't even been one day yet. And we currently are sitting at 770 views. So do y'all thing with that. I'm about to hit 1K probably by the end of this night. This next video that I'm gonna post on Monday, like I was saying earlier, it's gonna hit 1K. I'm not gonna be cocky. I'm gonna just, let things prosper. I gotta let this video marinate for 2 days, maybe 3. But we should be cooking, you know what I'm saying? We in a new city. I'm giving y'all that POV. It's pretty cool out here, I ain't gonna lie. Make sure you guys do subscribe, at theOnlycarter, so we can get to 2K. I don't know about hitting 2K in, let me see how many more days. So today is December 13th. So what? I can't do the math right now. I haven't ate in a while. So if we could hit 1.8K around December 30th, 31st, that'll be tough. I'm thinking maybe first week of January. We can hit 2K, but I am blessed that you guys still love my videos and support me to this day. Once we hit 2K, it's gonna be up, and then once we hit 5K, and so on, so much better. Mercedes. Sheesh. Hopefully there's a little bit of snow when I'm going back. A little bit, but hopefully it's not ice. But going through Pennsylvania, it should be a clear path. I'm gonna probably only stop maybe 2 times. But that POV is gonna be out for y'all, so hopefully y'all enjoy that one, you know what I'm saying? I'm thinking about doing, because I have to go back to school January 8th, so I'm probably going to leave the 7th. Let me see, let me think. I'm going to try to do at least 7 videos in December. Snow back home in Cleveland is gonna be OD, but y'all gonna enjoy that. I'm telling y'all, it's Christmas spirit. You know what I'm saying? I know I tagged him last time, but my man's about to hit 1K. So if y'all wanna shout him out or check out his videos, it's at Cunning BMW. Jazz BMW F30i. Shit's pretty cool. You know, he just started reposting again. His transmission went out a couple months ago, and then he did just get into an accident, so prayers up for him. But I'll make sure I make sure I put that in the chat for you guys, so you can watch his channel, cause his content's pretty good. He got a Burbleton, you know, stage 2. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna stop glazing him, but yeah, if you wanna check it out, I'm gonna drop it.
Just how it is. Let me see. Maybe tomorrow.
Hey yo, I'm about to go into this place real quick. It's like a salad place, like I was saying. Make sure you guys do subscribe. I'm gonna give you guys that bonus clip eventually. Hopefully I can go through the city when I'm going back home, so let me give y'all that. But yeah, it was a quick little vid. We're just gonna bring these, you know, I'm gonna keep making these POVs for y'all, so y'all can enjoy this content, you know what I'm saying? Bro, what are these people doing? Yeah, there's no way. I'm not letting this person out. There's no way. Like, come on now. Buddy can't just wait his turn. Oh, it's some crazy shit.
Oh, no, babe.
Oh. That's some crazy shit.
Yeah,
Hey, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys do subscribe. I'm about to go in here and grub, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's just salad, so I'm gonna go in here and grub. So hopefully you guys do subscribe. I'm gonna see y'all.